Hello, good morning, good evening, everyone. Welcome to Section 7 AI Careers in the course Intro to AI for Beginners and Freshers. Let's get started. AI not replacing your job, it is reshaping them. The worry that AI will take my job, whether there will be any software job that exists because of the AI, all those concerns and worries are real. But the truth is, it changes the job. There will be software jobs. AI is not going to take out all the jobs. There will be jobs, but it will be reshaped. This is exactly what happened when computers came, right? Before computers, everybody thought that just Y2K is going to wipe out in 2000, all the IT jobs will be gone, but they are not. When the calculator came, in fact, right, all the math teachers protested that there will not be any math teacher. It's not required because people can do multiplication, additions using calculator. But look at, after so many years, still calculators are there, math teachers are there. Same for AI also. Software jobs will be there, but the type of jobs will be different. AI assistants everywhere. Most jobs are gaining an AI assistant. Means in every job, people are using AI to enhance the work that they do. New roles appear. Whole new roles are appearing to build and guide the AI itself. Who gets ahead? The people who get ahead are those who understands AI, but not who worry or fear about AI. Where AI people work, three worlds: service and consulting companies build AI solutions for many different client businesses. Variety and structured learning services companies such as Accenture, Deloitte, Infosys, TCS, and other companies, they hire AI people so that they will help their customers to build AI solutions. Product companies such as Google, Microsoft, OpenAI, Claude, they build the products, right? In the products, they use the AI, or AI itself is a product also. And traditional companies such as car companies, FedEx, Reliance, there are different companies, they use AI. So there are broadly three types of jobs for freshers. They can get these jobs in these sectors. This is not only common to AI, all the industry is divided into these three broad categories. How AI reshapes the technical role. We all know that how the developer role is going to change. It is not going to disappear. A lot of companies thought that they don't need developers. They fired the developers. Now they are rehiring because they understand that AI can write the code, but somebody need to help the AI to write the right code. So developer job will be there, but they will be writing less code. They will be using AI code agents to write the code. QA tester roles will be there. They will use the AI tools to test the code. Data engineers are very much required. They build a clean data pipelines that AI takes and builds AI systems. Admin and developer jobs are also very much required because lot and lot of people are building AI systems. Now the admins need to be able to monitor how many AI agents are being built. How are they performing? Are they going rogue? Means some of the agents are not behaving properly and they are costing more money. So admin roles also be required in the AI. Architect role, very well, it is required to make sure that correct in the right way the AI agents are designed, monitored, and governed. How AI reshapes the business and everybody's role in day-to-day activities. Let's take a business analyst role. Previously, business analysts used to write Word documents, PPTs to explain things. Now they can use the AI to create these presentations, documentation, so that they can share this information. Data analyst, they can turn the numbers into the decisions faster. Previously they used to go manually analyze the data. They can use chart gpt kind of a tools to analyze, to create excel files, and they can do that. Sales and support in CRM stands for customer relationship management tools. AI drafts the replies. They can do analysis. If a person is trying to sell their products to a business, so they can go and do some research on the business, who are the competitors. They can do pretty quickly using their own proprietary AI tools. So the sales and support jobs will also be there. Finance and operations. ERP stands for enterprise resource planning. ERP tools such as SAP, Oracle, Microsoft is having Dynamics 365. These tools are also there. They are using AI to do their work efficiently. HR managers, HR applications like Workday. There are a lot of HR. SAP bought a company called Success Factors. They have their own HR solution. Oracle is having PeopleSoft HR solution. All these HR solutions are having AI as another feature. Like how they have web interface, they have mobile application. Now they are going to have a AI help for this functional roles so that they can do their job effectively. AI roles: prompt engineer, AI ML engineer. ML stands for, as you know, machine learning. Data scientists are very much needed to analyze, to work with the AI tools. Also, AI product manager decides what an AI product should do and why. And operations, ML operations and governance, keep making sure that AI runs smoothly. How industries use: industries are nothing but healthcare industry. Now, given the AI, drug discovery is becoming faster, and there are a lot of benefits in the healthcare industry that is using AI. In the banking sector, catches fraud alerts are becoming pretty easy to use AI compared to manually finding where people are logging in kind of information. Retail industry is using AI. Manufacturing industry predicting maintenance and optimization, supply chain of their products. And education industry, personalization learning. When learning with the kids or a class of students, they are using AI to track how the students are learning so that they can use efficient AIs. IT services is a fast growing everywhere, especially in the service sector. What the work culture feels like: services and consulting, a team based, many clients, like we discussed. Service companies are McKinsey, Boston Consulting Group, Infosys, Accenture, Deloitte. All these are services and consulting companies. Product companies are smaller teams, more ownership, faster to change, higher expectations. Now all the product companies are trying to incorporate AI into their product category. Traditional companies like Ford, FedEx, BMW, SpaceX, Reliance, these things are also using AI, how to optimize their work so that they be more productive. What shapes your pay? AI skills sits among the better paid areas in the tech. Entry roles start lower: data analyst, junior, prompt engineer, and specialist roles such as ML engineer, data scientist, product, often product management, and other roles are also there. Your career ladder: beginner to advanced. Start here as a data analyst, AI savvy generalist, junior support. If you want to be a business analyst or learning any programming language like Python or Java, make sure that how AI can be included in that, especially in the Python space. If you want to get into real engineering, you can become AI engineer, write LLMs, large language models, machine learning engineer, AI product manager kind of roles are there. For leads, there will be AI solution architect, lead developer. This is common, right? If you are a CRM developer or a ERP or a SAP developer, you start somewhere, then you go as a junior engineer to senior engineer, lead engineer to architect to manager. Same thing in the AI also. You can start as a data analyst, as a prompt engineer or AI engineer, then you can grow in this career. This is one of the highest paid jobs out there. Stay current and stay responsible. Learn how to learn. This is the real key trait that differentiate you with others. Learn how to learn is really the important and greatest skill that anybody can acquire. Try new tools. 15 minutes with each big new tool. Have a goal: weekly I try a new tool, especially in the AI space, and see and talk to friend about it, or write a blog or create a YouTube video about it. Watch the three risks: bias, privacy, and hallucination. As you know, this AI is based on the data. It will have the bias, and make sure that whatever is put in the AI system is having right security around it, privacy. And hallucination: whatever AI responds back, you have to double or triple check and make sure that that is true if you are using it to do any specific task. Protect data. Never paste private data into the public tools. Employers want this. Spotting these risks: make sure that these are the risks, outline it and talk about it. And employer loves people who knows about the intro, whatever we discussed so far in this session. Just a quick recap of these slides or section and also the course. You understand AI from chips to chatbots to career. You know the three company worlds. You can explain LLM, data, RAG, MCP, APIs, carry bias, privacy, hallucination. Download the glossary, cheat sheet, and career roadmap. Then take your first step, try to play with it. It is like jumping into the water and trying to swim. If you sit on the shore and read 100 books on the swimming, it doesn't help. So keep practicing and wish you all the best. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate your time. Bye for now.